To be honest.
You want to just chat and tell people how much you hate Man U and...
No, it's not even about hate. It's like right now, everybody in the top 4 pretty much lost. This all Chelsea need is 3 points here against probably the worst form. You just got a new manager. Your new manager will probably give you a bounce back. You haven't got to train with him yet. What would cause Manchester United to be able to win today?
Go Man U!
That said, I bet you we're going to drop points against them. Chelsea is not good. Easy game, that's when we're going to drop points.
Easy game.
This current version of Man U, at this particular point in time, I don't care how big of a Manchester United fan you are, you're sitting in like 13th or something, on awful form, can't score goals. Like, I think negative goal difference, no, bro. Like, come on.
Yo, you know this is supposed to be a short, right?
They suck right now, to keep it short.
I knew it! Look at this, look at this, look at this. Ready to hear Daniel cuss his... Yep, 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 yep.
Everybody lose. Everybody lose.
Anything you want to say, sir?
Come, say some remarks. Say some remarks for the family. Plus, Pac wants to hear what you have to say.
Bro, I just knew this foolishness was going to go on. Like, yo, the stage is set. All the other top team them lose. We just need to win this game. We're comfortable. Man, them are going to drop points to them clown, you know. My goalkeeper is going to be the reason why we cannot get up the table. We need a goalkeeper like ASAP, bro. Dog, instead of we're up 1-0 now, well, we're draw with them loser here in the 74th.
Explain why you're upset right now. You just scored. Why are you upset? Why?
Because, Lisa,
why?
Look at the table. I want to show you something. I want to show you how big my phone is and the fact that when I click on this, I have to scroll downward to find your club. Your club is in 13th in horrible form. Why are we scoring an equalizer against your losers in 74th minute?
Yay.